This is Jake with Avi-on. Today I want to show you how to install an internal fixture adapter into a light fixture. First, we'll access the light fixture, removing the lens. And this particular light fixture just has a panel here we need to remove to get access to the LED driver. Now, as you can see, we already have power from this unit plugged into an extension cord, and I've already been in this fixture before, but all I did was I just took the power that was coming from the building and cut it to add the IFA. It's a standard driver, 0 to 10 volt dimming. Here's the dimming wires. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this connection right here. And what the IFA does is it has input, AC input, and AC output. Now, we want the neutrals tied into this unit as well because we do full power monitoring with this, energy monitoring. So it's as simple as grabbing this AC line, sticking it in the connector, the AC neutral, and then the driver neutral, and then the driver line. So now the power's coming in and out of this IFA. Now on this other part of this are some 0 to 10 lines. This is where we put the dimming wires. So we take these dimming wires, positive and negative, stick it in the connector. Then we can take this unit right here, this is the antenna. We can either stub this antenna out or just keep it inside the enclosure. There's also a ground wire here. I'm not going to bother hooking that up today. But then there's anchor points, some holes that you can actually anchor this in with. But with this fixture, it's tight enough and it's not going to go anywhere. So I have this thing, so I have it sitting down right there. All the connections are made. Put this cover back on. Not going to bother with the lens cover, and I'm just going to power the unit up. Now the unit's powered up, kind of bright. I don't know if you can see that with the camera. So right here I've got a wall station that I've got this program, so there's 25%. Go down a couple times, there's 20, 15, 10%. Dims really well. And that's how easy it is to install an internal fixture adapter into a light fixture.